Hi, this is Martin from Sonnet Technologies here at NAB 2016. If you didn't happen to make it to our booth, I'd like to take you on a brief tour to show you everything we had here, including the new stuff. Follow me. Big news this year at NAB is Thunderbolt 3 technology. This latest version of Thunderbolt doubles the speed of the previous version, Thunderbolt 2, and this is our first product that we've announced, the Fusion Thunderbolt 3 PCIe Flash Drive. This portable SSD is entirely bus powered. It's in a rugged case, available with 512 gigabytes of memory, and does data transfers up to 2100 megabytes per second. Next, we're showing the first of a new series of Pro card readers, the SF3 Series. This happens to be a dual CFast card reader, and it's able to transfer data at the full speed of the cards. Right now, that would translate to roughly 1100 megabytes a second concurrent data transfer from two cards. We're also showing the latest versions of our Echo Express line of Thunderbolt to PCIe card expansion systems. These ones also feature Thunderbolt 3 and will be available later this year. They'll take advantage of the added bandwidth that Thunderbolt 3 offers. Next up is our Echo 15 Plus Thunderbolt 2 docking station. This docking station includes an optical drive and space to install one or two drives internally, in addition to its ports for USB 3, Gigabit Ethernet, eSATA, and audio input and output. This is a popular device in post-production houses where they connect it via optical Thunderbolt cable. And let me show you where they might connect it. To the back of a server. And this is especially handy in case somebody needs to change computers. They just simply unplug it and move it to another machine. Here at the back of the booth, we're featuring our Thunderbolt adapters and storage devices, starting with our 10 gigabit Ethernet adapters. We've got some simple dongle adapters that enable you to connect USB plus either Gigabit Ethernet or eSATA. Then we have the Avid DX Thunderbolt adapter, a Thunderbolt S/S card reader, a Thunderbolt P2 card reader. This is the same Thunderbolt 3 CFast card reader I showed you, same Thunderbolt 3 flash drive, and this is the Thunderbolt 2 flash drive. Back to the front of the booth, we're featuring our XMac Pro server, a Thunderbolt 2 to PCIe card expansion system, and Rackmount enclosure for the Mac Pro. We're also showing it without and with additional mobile rack device mounting kits. On the flip side, we're showing the XMac Mini server. This 1U rack mount enclosure also features Thunderbolt 2 to PCIe card expansion, and we're showing a clear lid so you can see what's going on inside, and the back as well. Over here, we're showing the Echo Express 3D and Echo Express 3R, our top-of-the-line Thunderbolt 2 to PCIe card expansion systems. This is a desktop model, and this is a rack mount model. Moving down the line, we're showing our complete line of Echo Express Thunderbolt to PCIe card expansion systems, both Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 2 versions. A bit of news I'd like to share is that we will be offering an upgrade that will enable you to upgrade your Thunderbolt 2 to Thunderbolt 3. Here we're showing our popular line of rack mount enclosures for the Mac Pro and the Mac Mini. Rackmac Pro will hold two or one computer, and the Rackmac Mini will do the same. You can even install an optical drive in one of the spaces. Here we're showing the interface for our shared storage system, the Fusion RX 1600 VF. We're connected to the device at the front of the booth through 16 gigabit fiber channel card installed into our Echo Express SEL chassis. And as you can see, it's a very simple interface to manage. That's it from NAB 2016. Looking forward to the year ahead with more new products to come. Thanks for stopping by.